Hello there, fellow Toastmasters. Today, I'm going to share with you a tip on how filler words can hurt your public speaking. First, filler words distract from your message. Words like like, they break the flow of your speech, causing your audience to focus more on your speech habits than actually what you're saying. This weakens your message. Second, they reduce your credibility. When you use filler words too often, it can make you seem uncertain or unprepared instead of sounding confident. You may appear unsure of yourself with those filler words. You can undermine your authority on the topic. Also, filler words make you less engaging. When your speech is cluttered with all sorts of unnecessary phrases or pauses or filler words, it interrupts the flow and the energy of what you're trying to convey. It can cause your audience to lose its interest. Finally, filler words make your speech much harder to follow. Filler words add noise to your message, making it more difficult for your audience to focus on your key points. To sum it up, filler words distract, they reduce credibility, they lower engagement. They confuse your message. By eliminating them, you can speak more clearly and powerfully.